Alright, what up team motivation? As you can see, I'm cleaning the motor up with the degreaser. I'm using engine degreaser and some of that purple stuff, man. Cleaning up, make sure you clean all that oil off of it. You gotta make sure you clean all the oil off of it. Stay tuned. You want less water as possible. You see it's all dry down in there. It's dusty actually, I gotta wipe it down real quick. So y'all stay tuned. Team motivation, no hating. Let's get it. My boy Rello Motor from Springfield. Let's get it. Team motivation, it's your boy MB and the place to be. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean a motor block right here. With just, we do have a power wash. If you look behind me, there's my power washing hose. But what I wanted to do is use less water as possible. So instead of using the power washer and the hose, I'm using the engine cleaner. And I'm also using some degreaser, and I'm using a bottle of purple power. So I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it with less mess to clean up after you clean your engine before paint. Team motivation, no hating. I'm gonna show you how I put some of that purple in there, put more purple in there. I'm gonna do this side, show you guys how you know, buck, you can use a bottle like this size. Make sure it don't fall over. But this thing right here is amazing. Make sure you have patch on. Control how much comes out by turning this left or right. This is more, this is less. Tighter it get, the less come out. It's well controlled. You don't have a big mess. Turn it back on. See that? Look how much water dripping. Look how you don't have that lot of water dripping. Make sure you pull this back out the hose because it'll leak out. It'll leak out of there. If you leave it stuck in it, it will suck it out of there. But it's less water, cleaner. You can get way to it when you use the power washer. And if you have to, you can scrape it a little bit with a, let me show you, where that razor blade go? That purple power is pretty strong. Who is that out there? Oh, which car is that? That Mustang?
No, this truck is just backing out of the garage and parked it in the driveway.
Oh, okay.
I was about to mess with him, like, hey man, you can't park your shit here.
Yeah. Stay tuned, y'all.
Oh.
What's that? What's that for that thing up there? Do it work? All right, what up, Team Motivation? As you can see, all the oil is broke down. There's no oil. There's no more oil. Look at that, clean finger. This is why I like this thing, because it can get all down in the crevices. So now, after this, I'm going to just use just all water and just rinse it. I'm going to rinse it. See, I'm just going to rinse it before I start the primer. Up. Just going to rinse it. I got a new oil pan, so I'm not really worried about the oil pan. I'm actually ready to sit it on this stand now, so I can paint it. I might be able to do it on this stand, I don't know. I might be able. Stay tuned. Looking good now. I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna make sure it's rinsed. No residue, just no liquid. I'm just using straight water. Stay tuned. Okay, yeah. After I blow it off with the water, I rinsed it with the water. I rinsed it with the water, and now I'm gonna take some of this alcohol and just do this to it. And what this does is break down the rest of the dirt that's left in there, and then I just air blow it. So all you gotta do is I'm not doing the water pump. The oil can. See that? Now what this does is actually creates a bond for the primer. It creates a bond for the primer. Show you guys. This is alcohol, 70%. Not some gin or anything. Yeah, back in the day, this cost like $1. I don't know how much it is now. Might be a little bit more now since this so-called thing been going around, but that's it. Then I'm gonna blow that off with the engine cleaner. Then I'm gonna start the primer. You gotta use a high temperature primer with a hardener, which I make of my own. Stay tuned.
I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through. I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through. I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through. I put the coupe with the roof that's
My man.
see-through.
Notice how I got the pressure down low. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna have a powder coat room set up where we're doing all our powder coats. So we got big plans over here. Got Mbcustoms, man. We got new oil pan gaskets. So when the block is clean, it looks like that.
I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through. I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through.
That's how you want it. Let that sit.
I put the coupe with the roof that's see-through.
Maybe one more coat. Stay tuned. Oh, look at that finish, man. Look how smooth that finish is. I'm gonna do this black. I got a new oil pump. Oil pan. Put a new sensor. We got 3 more LS motors to clean and put all new parts on. One of them going with a cam piston set. So stay tuned. If you customs, man, we work. '17 SS Camaro water pump. New balancer coming, new pneumatic balancer on the way. Got the oil pan. Old oil pan coming off. Stay tuned. New intake on its way. Stay tuned. Finna change all the look of these joints, man. Stay tuned. Finna go crazy real quick. Stay tuned. All these. See how they look right now.